Hi friends, in this video, I'll give you a review of the 10 best coffee tables to buy, and you'll get all the links to buy in the description below. Let's get started. Modern coffee table with tempered glass and solid wood legs. This tempered glass coffee table with its peculiar and organic eye shape, elegant and efficient, which is a fantastic addition to any classic or vintage-inspired house. The smooth surface of this novelty-shaped coffee table is ideal for serving and displaying a range of decorative things. Made of solid wood and tempered glass, this table is an excellent addition to any living area, workplace, restaurant, hotel, or meeting space. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button and keep supporting. Next, black modern square coffee table with drawers, tempered glass top and metal legs. Made of MDF, this square coffee table includes 4 bottom drawers that may be used to store periodicals or books, as well as remotes and chargers. With a clean lined frame finish and a square form, this modest addition is sure to 4 drawers that draw attention in any living space. By virtue of its glass top with shiny polish, it has a striking appearance. This square coffee table can contain decorations, books, or even your aperitifs and be placed in the heart of a classic bedroom, workplace, and any location to create a luxurious feeling of luxury. Check the link in the description below for detailed information and shipping. Next, modern round stone nesting wood coffee table with drawers in stone and white. Luxury coffee services may acquire a modern round storage coffee table made of wood with sliding drawers in white and stone. A beautiful item that can be used in a variety of ways to accentuate any design and give maximum flexibility for one residence. Using a combination of wood and metal, table is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. A wet towel is all that need to clean the trendy coffee tables for the living room. Next, modern wood nesting coffee table set of 2 with drawers and shelves in black and white. Give your space a boost of contemporary style and beauty with this set of 2 coffee table. Featuring a stylish design with subtle details, these coffee tables deliver an understated yet tasteful look that upgrades your space effortlessly. Designed with a rectangular surface, it served as a showcase for decorative objects and art. Otherwise, the small table featured storage designed for functional and convenient use, which also features interior compartments and drawers to offer a plentiful and complete solution to store. Stunning and practical. Available in white and black, pick it up. Check the link in the description below for detailed information and shipping. Next, 5 pieces lift-top coffee table set with storage convertible dining table with Ottomans. This solid wood construction table, meticulously crafted, will add a touch of elegance to any living room or family entertainment complex. Integrating a lift-top design and contrasting colors, this rectangular coffee table provides your area with a contemporary atmosphere. With the tray lifted, this top lift coffee table sets several inner compartments, including odds and ends, remotes, or other requirements. 4 Ottomans are included in the table's convertible design. This elegant and efficient coffee table set is ideal for adorning the living area and storing books and other small objects in order. Next, modern black wood coffee table with storage square drum with drawer. This coffee table is an excellent choice for a rich modern look that works in every room. An eye-catching black-colored manufactured wood design is ideal for entertaining or relaxing on your lonesome in the evenings. Its solid structure makes it a long-lasting piece of furniture that may be used regularly. Storage for newspapers, magazines, books, etc. may be found in a large side drawer on this piece of furniture. The tray has been designed with an extra-large surface area. With its deep black finish and robust wood construction, this table will look great in any house. Check the link in the description below for detailed information and shipping. Next, modern black and gold nesting coffee table set with stone top 2-piece table. Effortlessly blending fashion and function, this charming coffee table set lends a modern, chic aesthetics to any living space. A sleek stone top contrast with the gold metal finish on the base. The tables are different in height for added dimension, and the small one features a shelf for organizing and stashing books, snacks, blankets, and other odds and ends. Flexible and practical, nesting design allows every unit to be used together or separately while they can be stored under the bigger table. Versatile yet distinctive, this essential coffee table set is the perfect finishing touch to your home. Next, Farmhouse rectangle wood coffee table cocktail table distressed finish. In addition to its essential use, the solid wood coffee table is a natural ornamental element. Because of the classic farmhouse style tabletop, it takes center stage. It's known for its long-term stability and durability. One may bring the hues of nature into his home, rest house, or farmhouse in the countryside with this coffee table, which is both rough and large yet has a very natural aspect. Check the link in the description below for detailed information and shipping. Next, 39 inches modern wood abstract coffee table in white with 4 legs. Showcase your creativity with the innovative design of the coffee tables. The streamlined, smooth surface with irregular cloud-shaped, resulting in an eye-catching design that creates an elegant space for your living room. A unique coffee table is paired in white color and MDF, creating a novelty statement. In addition to its essential use, this wood coffee table is a natural ornamental element. Next, two-tiered modern round wood coffee table with rattan base. A flat natural wood top is given open, airy appeal with a rattan base, making coffee table ideal for adding engaging visual intrigue in a contemporary two-tiered design. Provide ample room for your books. Perfect addition. Easy to assemble, standout piece for sure. Doesn't take up too much space, very versatile. Just what you need for your bohemian decor. In addition to its essential use, this wood coffee table is a natural ornamental element. Check the link in the description below for detailed information and shipping. Thanks for watching.